It grew out of somebody with a stuck choke. Somebody had a stuck choke and they didn't know how to get it out. It's like, if you look on what is available at certain, gunsmith groups, it's pretty, antiquated. Basically, we've got a removal tool system for sort of sticking or stuck chokes. This one I'm holding is the Teague style. Obviously, what the principle is a sort of tapered plug in a tapered body. The choke removal system's inserted into the barrel. There's an Allen key. It can then draw up the plug, which flares open the leaves, which in turn grips the choke internally, which then allows you then to put a socket with a T-bar and allow you to sort of basically extract the stuck choke or sticking choke. And we also make them for the Briley system with the sort of 4 pins. We have the pins specially made. We grind the pins out of a special steel, and we do them in titanium, stainless, and all fully handmade by myself, fully CNC machined. I like the finger keys, which again, it's a slightly different product, which is just a knurled head, and it stops you over tightening chokes. Most people over tighten chokes, in my opinion. This particular key was made for a friend. Again, very simple procedures, like any other sort of key. You can just push it in and then literally turn it out. It's self-explanatory. It does exactly what it says, on the tin. Excuse my fingers, and again, if you were to insert it,
I suppose with cold hands, in a pigeon hide or whatever, you fancy changing your chokes?
Well, this with the arm is just a born out of modification of the product that we have, which is the finger key, which is a knurled head. Again, some people prefer the arm, the speed of the arm, and some people prefer the finger key. But again, it stops you over tightening your chokes, which is kind of fundamental. But again, you can't beat grease. If you put a bit of grease on, you won't get them stuck. So I'm probably selling myself short here. I'll be quiet.
Cut.
Yeah, edit that bit.